The new age of hobbies in 2025, rediscovering joy in simplicity. In an era dominated by smart tech and non-stop content, hobbies have evolved beyond traditional definitions. While some still love painting or playing guitar, a new wave of self-expression, self-care, and connection is redefining how we spend our downtime. These hobbies don't require expensive equipment or studio setups, just a spark of curiosity and the will to explore. And in 2025, it's not just about doing things, it's about making them part of your lifestyle. One of the fastest growing hobbies today is digital journaling. No longer confined to paper, journaling has moved to tablets, phones, and even AR environments, with apps offering templates for mood tracking, goal setting, gratitude logs, and habit formation. Journaling has become a form of mindful productivity. It's especially popular with Gen Z and millennials who want to stay intentional in their lives. The act of journaling merges creativity with wellness and has become a movement rather than just a method. People share their digital spreads on Instagram and Pinterest, adding aesthetic flair and creating communities around self-expression. The visual appeal of pastel palettes, minimalistic icons, and personalized layouts makes it perfect for stylized snapshots, ideal for poster illustrations. Another hobby that continues to trend is indoor gardening and hydroponics. With rising awareness around sustainability, growing your own greens even in small apartments has become both fashionable and functional. From mason jar herbs on the windowsill to smart hydroponic towers, urban dwellers are turning their homes into micro farms. What was once niche is now mainstream, supported by brands launching sleek, modular systems that look like furniture. There's a ritualistic calm to tending plants and watching them grow, especially when the digital world feels too fast. Many use plant care as a form of meditation, and it's highly visual. Lush green contrasts with modern interiors make for stunning content and graphic illustrations. Parallel to the rise in nature-centric hobbies is the explosion of aesthetic-based reading. Yes, reading has made a massive comeback, not just as a solitary pastime, but as a performative and community-driven one. Thanks to Book Talk and Bookstagram, people are curating their own book nooks. Color-coordinated libraries and themed reading nights. What's trending in 2025 is the concept of reading rituals. People dedicate a set time daily or weekly to unplug, light a candle, pour tea, and read mindfully. It's not just about the book, but the whole ambiance and ritual that surrounds it. This sensory-first approach to reading turns a passive hobby into an active, atmospheric escape. The aesthetic is cozy, calming, and layered, perfect for a podcast segment and visually captivating posters. Finally, audio storytelling and micro-podcasting itself has become a hobby for millions, an ironic twist for podcast creators like you. With tools like AI-assisted editing, voice filters, and distribution platforms getting simpler, people are producing whether it's journaling in soft hues, growing basil on your shelf, reading under fairy lights, or sharing your voice with the world. Each hobby adds meaning to the everyday.